Hey girl, welcome back to a new video. It's your girl Noriah. For those that are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's a little bit different. I guess I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to achieve this nice wow blowout look. You guys know I am the queen of many hairstyles. I display so many hairstyles, so many hair textures on my channel for many years. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to achieve a nice, sexy, simple blowout look. And I definitely feel like achieving this look is perfect with the right blow dryer. A huge shout out to LAIFEN for sponsoring today's video. It is this amazing purple blow dryer. So cute, so sleek, so sexy. I love the purple aesthetic. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. It does come with two nozzles, which is absolutely perfect for achieving all of these looks. I'm gonna start the process of getting my hair dry because I think that is the most important. I'm officially done blow drying my hair, and I definitely have to say that I'm just really obsessed with this blow dryer. First of all, one of the biggest features with this blow dryer is that it dries really smoothly. It's extremely powerful, and it definitely did not take me long to blow dry at all. It was a very quick and easy process, less than 5 minutes, and I am out the door with these results. And this is simply because LAIFEN uses powerful airflow instead of extremely high heat to satisfy this look and to give you a very quick and smooth blowout. Also very quiet, so you're not going to be disturbing your neighbors, not going to be disturbing your roommates, your children. In addition to all of that, the back of this blow dryer does have a ring light that does change colors to indicate, of course, what service level, what temperature level that you are looking to achieve at that time. If you want to know more about this, there is a direct link below for you to get access directly to this blow dryer. There will be a discount code as well for you to take advantage. So girl, make sure you check it out. We're going to move on to curling my hair, actually getting the blowout process going. I definitely feel like with a good blowout, you do not have to go like so crazy on the curls. It doesn't have to be perfect because LAIFEN does include two different nozzles with the blow dryer that can really amplify your blowout look. See how that looks? Very loose, very nice. It doesn't have to be a tight curl at all, you guys. Beautiful. I'm gonna speed through and just curl the rest of my hair really quick. We're taking very big chunks because, like I said, this is just a very simple blowout that anyone can do. As you can see, I'm done curling my hair. It took less than 10 minutes, you guys. Like I said, you do not have to do anything too dramatic. Just take big sections just to get the wave going. So I'm gonna go in with this one here just to help me kind of blow out and diffuse the curls just a little bit. You don't want to tease them too much because that's exactly what this is going to do. I kind of just blew them out just a little bit, okay? It's a lot more bigger now. It's definitely, we're getting there, but we're gonna start with the final step, and I'm going to then go in with this nozzle am just loving how this is looking. I'm gonna brush this down a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I am so obsessed with how this turned out, and you see how easy it was. Easy peasy. It took less than 10 minutes, you guys. Honestly, with the right blow dryer, the right curling iron, girl, you can really achieve a beautiful outcome. Huge shout out to LAIFEN once again. I just love this. I definitely recommend this blow dryer if you are in the market to really satisfy your needs, multiple needs. It's not too hot. It has a powerful airflow. It just has so many different benefits in this blow dryer. There are many options out there for blow dryers that can range over $200, but with my discount code below, you will be saving 30%, and you will be getting this at a very good steal. Let me know if this video helped you. Let me know if you're in the market, if you need any more tips and tricks to really get a nice simple blowout look. I think this turned out so beautiful. Such a quick and easy style. Don't forget to check out the description box below. The link will take you directly to the blow dryer. I really love you guys. I hope this video helped you guys, and until next time, I'll see you later.